Hey everyone! Understanding the difference between strips and sections in the Wix Editor Classic is crucial for building a site that is both organized and responsive. In 2026, Wix has clarified these tools to help you choose the right container for your content. Step 1. Identify the hierarchy. The first thing to understand is that sections are the primary building blocks of your page, while strips are specialized containers that sit inside sections or on the page. For sections, think of these as the rooms of your house. Every page is made up of multiple sections, like Welcome section, About section, that stack vertically. For strips, think of these as the furniture or shelving inside those rooms. You use a strip to stretch content across the full width of the screen. Step 2. Add and manage sections. Sections are the foundation for the 2026 Wix Editor workflow. Click the Add Section button between existing sections or at the top of the page. Sections allow you to move entire chunks of content up or down with a single click using the Move Up, Down arrows. They also automatically handle vertical spacing. Step 3. Add and divide strips. Strips are your best tool for creating full-width visual designs or multi-column layouts. Go to Add Elements Plus, and then find Strip and drag it into a section. Once a strip is added, click Manage Columns to split it into 2, 3, or up to 5 side-by-side containers. Use strips when you want a background image or color to bleed off the edges of the screen, while keeping your text centered in the grid lines. Use a section when you want to organize the vertical stack of the site. You are using Pro Gallery or standard elements, or you want to reorder entire page blocks. Use a strip when you need to stretch an image edge to edge. You want to split content into columns, or you want to organize elements within a block. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.